Satvika and welcome to another video. Okay, so for today's video मैंने बहुत टाइम से बेसिकली एक हॉल नहीं किया था and in the past few months I've actually shopped quite a few different outfits but the main thing is कि जितने भी products मैंने सोचा शेयर करूँ I have tried and tested them out throughout the month. So I thought why not share my top recommendations and the best part is कि all of these products are available online. All of these products are certified, tested, धुल चुके almost ये सारे products, बार बार पहन चुकी हूँ मैं ये सारे products and I have been loving them. Okay, let's start with the first top. ये है एक crop top which I got from H&M and H&M के basics are something that I love, especially the tops part of it. तो ये एक simple white crop top है, under 500 rupees का था, 400 कुछ का था. बहुत बार धुल चुका है ये इस पॉइंट पे एंड दिस हैज़ लाइक दिस ग्राफिक प्रिंट जो कि यू कैन सी इट लुक्स वेरी न्यू एट दिस पॉइंट स्टिल. ओके, इसको भी मतलब मैं इतनी बार पहन चुकी हूँ बट इट स्टिल इज लुकिंग गुड. सो दिस इज अ क्वाड सेट दैट आई गॉट. ऑफ कोर्स द पिक्चर विल बी राइट हियर एंड ये मेरा गो टू ट्रैवल एयरपोर्ट लुक. लाइक आई ऑलरेडी वोन दिस फॉर अ फ्लाइट and this is like I am absolutely love with this. ये only से है for the first time I shopped from like directly only I think. Quad set है तो the bottoms are exactly matching and I think because of the color like as it is it's so simple. नीचे simple jogger pants है but because of the color I think it looked very nice and ये थोड़ा you know controversial होने वाला. I don't know सबको पसंद आया कि नहीं आया ये but only से ही I got another. मैं specifically like travel के लिए quad sets ढूंढी थी so I got another one. पहला वाला एकदम simple peach pink versus this one which is completely over the top. ब्राइट नियॉन कलर में है एंड इसके ऊपर स्माइली प्रिंट है, ग्राफिक प्रिंट है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी. ऑनेस्टली आई वोर दिस ट्रैवल में लाइक रोड ट्रिप में एंड there were lots of stairs बीच में when I was getting down but I felt really good in this. Like it shouldn't be cringe, it was gathering attention but like I mean I like the outfit. ठीक है. and इसकी joggers are also slightly different. so ऐसे knee पे you have these lace तो थोड़ा सा ये ऐसे rocker vibe भी दे रहा था. like थोड़ा इसकी इसमें masculine elements भी है. only के both the quad sets quality has been superb so far. they are not like your एकदम cheap वाले clothes. like they are of a, they are decently priced but quality में I have faced no issues. Okay, talking about the next product which I never thought I will like so much. तो this was the brand Basic. I'm pretty sure आपने सुना होगा at least Instagram पे and like literally as the name says कि it deals with lots of basics but instead of like in a boring shape they have different cuts. I was really intrigued to try out the product. This is what I ended up picking up. एक beige top है, यहाँ पे lines है so this basically gives a corset का structure. Fabric सारा is like your normal ribbed fabric but the structure through the line sort of comes as a corset. even अगर आप bottom पे देखोगे it has this sort of V, round neck है and oh my god like this looked so good. ये around 800-900 का है so it's not like very cheap like a regular t-shirt price but it looked so good and इसमें specifically वो ribbed kind of material है so this was a little bit thicker as well and इसको मैंने style किया with one of my purchases which I am definitely you know loving. मैं गई Levi's पे. now of course you can shop for Levi's online but I specifically went to the store because मुझे वो perfect pair of jeans आजकल नहीं मिल रहा था and I got this one. it's कुछ lighting में अलग लगता है. this is actually duotone like one tongue is different and one is different and I specifically went to the store to get everything customized. आप waist alter कर सकते हो, length alter कर सकते हो so I needed that pair of jeans. like this is not cheap, this is for like 3,000-4,000. I'll put the exact price in the description box but I went ahead and invested sort of in this jeans because Levi's is like known for its quality in denims and also मैंने इसको पूरा customize करवाया. I got it to a length ताकि ये ज़्यादा लंबा भी ना हो and I can still wear this with heels as well. Okay, next dress is what I'm wearing. मैं भूल ही गई थी इसको बताना but I feel so pretty in this dress. like literally there's no other word to describe it rather than pretty. ये एक wrap dress है. I got this from Nykaa Fashion. for the first time I think I shopped from Nykaa Fashion and this is around 700 if I'm not wrong. I'll put the again details in the description box. patla material, like beautiful comfortable material, wrap dress, beautiful structure. I'll again insert pictures, videos, and I absolutely love it. मतलब I know summers जा रही है, अगर आप साउथ में हो जहाँ पे it's there's humidity and stuff like that, like this is amazing. And the little details make this dress so perfect, like puffer shoulders हैं यहाँ पे, of course वो wrap का पूरा, it gives a beautiful structure. Okay, next H&M से I got another pair of basics. I am really into cord sets I think these days, but ये वाले different है, ठीक है. So this is a nice pair of blue shorts. This is a little thicker fleece material and इसके साथ matching आता है एक jacket, nice blue bright color, and उसी vibe में like winters आ रही है, so in that comfy fleece vibe I also got this pair of slippers. चंकी स्लीपर्स है एकदम, ये इतना बड़ा इनका सोल है, बट एज यू कैन सी कि जो मटेरियल है वो पूरा फर वाला मटेरियल है इवन ऑन द बॉटम. सो एंड क्रिस क्रॉस है, सो इट लुक्स रियली गुड. अगेन दिस इज समथिंग विच यू कैन थ्रो ऑन लाइक आउटसाइड ऑल्सो. मूवी पे जा रहे हो, मॉल जा रहे हो, यू कैन वेयर दी स्लीपर्स. मैंने ये अमेजोन पे लिया था एंड आई सॉ द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन एंड आई वॉज लाइक व्हाट, I'm getting like a Van Heusen bag under rupees 1500. But yes, I actually found it. अगर सेल चल रही होगी then you might get this under 1000 rupees also. But मुझे एक go to everyday bag and I think this is something जो कोई भी जो normal office जा रहा है who has sort of a dress code, they can also carry this, the perfect formal yet chic bag. Love the color. इसकी shape भी थोड़ी सी different है which kind of gave it a very very nice look. And of course you have this chain detailing right here. So if you are someone who's looking for a more wearable option, and of course ये एक decent size का भी है, like ये मेरी शक्ल है and ये एकदम वो mini bag जैसा नहीं है. This is very very spacious, has lots of like zipper pocket space for your cards and everything like that. So I love this one and I think that this is a very good purchase for like an everyday use. And last but definitely not the least, अगर किसी ने Bombay prep वाला vlog देखा है, so उसमें there is the entire process of how I purchased this and stuff like that. But I have been loving it more than I expected. The more I've like wore it actual में real life में, I really liked it. This is that floral dress, guys. If you're looking for like एक बहुत chic dress, then I think this is an amazing option. इसका like लगता नहीं है कुछ, but of course I'll insert pictures. Like it fits me really well and I think it will suit everyone simply because of the way it's made. यहाँ पे loose basically इसका neck है, so you can like put a touch button, you can put a safety pin wherever you want, क्योंकि ये यहाँ तक खुलता है. Extra long sleeves, cuff है यहाँ पे, so it looked really really nice. And this same structure is also available in a white satin pattern, in also a black satin material, so you can purchase in that अगर आपको like इतना floral print नहीं चाहिए. Okay, and that was the end of this haul. I hope you liked it. I hope you like this concept. ये basically एक tried and tested haul है of all the products, and I will link everything in the description box so that you can check it out. Which was your favorite piece? Which are you excited to like try, maybe buy? Drop that down in the comments box below, and I shall see you very very soon with another video.